As for the attacks in general now and the goals of the Russian troops, of the Russian command, in addition to the fact that Russia hits energy facilities, civilian facilities especially, it is typical for the border territories or frontline territories, that is Kharkiv, Sumy, this is Zaporozhye, Kherson, they hit Dnipro as well. They hit actually just the cities, and there is in principle it doesn't matter much. A residential building, a port place, somewhere else, that is, they hit just to commit terrorist acts. Now, in addition to that, and in addition to the defense industry facilities in Ukraine, I know the trend that educational institutions are being aided. And if we look at Poltava, Sumy, just this week's, one university in Kyiv was also damaged, the wreckage, well, during the attack. Now we see that indeed, with a certain degree of probability, it was the Academy of Land Forces in Lviv that Russia could actually carry out this strike. Educational institutions have been aided. And I have an explanation as to why. So, Russia, and you have to understand that Russia is working quite significantly to conduct operations aimed at psychological warfare, psychological suppression, psychological terror. That is how they are trying to suppress the will to resist the Ukrainian people. Moreover, they choose the moment. The trend of these shellings also have a moment, a significant moment. That is when we started to move away from discussing the successes of the Kursk operation and came to the fact that more and more media are paying attention to the Eastern Front and what will happen to the Pokrovsky direction. Sometimes even outright panic statements can be heard from there, plus the F-16 crash, plus the other events, and all of this against the background of just the intensification of these missile strikes, plus the problems with the electricity and so on, with interruptions should create this unified space of psychological terror.